Hello friends, welcome in G-Stomper studio, and this is my channel Music Anywhere. So friends, today I will tell you how I make my rhythm and melodies and how I create tracks on G-Stomper producer app. So first of all, I will go main menu and load my user sound set I have made. And okay, and my sound set is ready. So these are the sounds. First of all, start metronome, then long press to arrow button. Here is default 128, and I will make it, I think, 100. So I have selected it, and now I will play. I have a melody in my mind, so I will fit on these beats. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. La 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 la. Fix on these 4 bits. La 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 la. Okay. La 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 la. Then we'll select micro step here. So that is second from right hand side. First is stem condition and second is micro step. So la 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 la. La 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 la. Fine tune. La 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 la. La 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 la. Same here. You can make any kind of beats. So I'm making beats for my song. La 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 la. La la la. Without metronome, how it sounds. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, nice. We'll start again metronome, and we'll take another sound. La 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 la. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Here also effects are running, so we'll bypass them. Then mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Then another sound. So this is the pair of sound, and so we'll make some adjustment here. Then combine them. You can hear the sound by headphone only. So friends, this is the way I make my beats for my song. So how it made, write me on comment box, and for more videos like this, friends, please subscribe my channel, and share the video as much, and support my channel, friends, and help me to grow this channel very fast. Um and we will meet on next video very soon. Thanks friends. Thanks.